Hello, today I am going to show you how to pollinate anthuriums. So this is stigma. So if you want, this is Anthurium magnificum. So I am going to pollinate this magnificum, and so this is Anthurium pepipollinum. So I am going to pollinate between the Anthurium pepipollinum and Anthurium magnificum cross. So I am taking some pollens from the pollens is now in Anthurium pepipollinum. So now I am going to so I had kept some of the pollens in my hand. This is called hand pollination. So now I am going to pollinate. Now this magnificum become having a female formations. So I pollinate the pepipollinum male. So this is cross between the pepipollinum and magnificum. So I have completed my pollination process from Anthurium pepipollinum and Anthurium magnificum. So this is Anthurium this is Anthurium magnificum, and this one is also a magnificum, and this one is Anthurium doroyaki. So this one is hybrid version, is hybridized by the Japanese arid scientist, and this is from Japan. So this is not my hybrid. This is hybridized by the Japanese arid scientist. So this one is Anthurium coriacum. So this coriacum is it is called locally this coriacum is also called a pedal leaf Anthurium. So I am going to show you this is the crystallinum. So big leaves of crystallinum. Also crystallinum is having a different variety. This one is also one of the varieties of crystallinum. It is called silver crystallinum also, and this is also a crystallinum, miniature crystallinum. This is Anthurium. It is my hybridized. It may be called. So I didn't give a name. So this is this Anthurium is Anthurium forgeti. So but leaves are quite similar, but you have to identify there is no hole in the. If you want to identify the forgeti, the leaf formation is round, no. So this is the identification of, because the leaf, this is formation is dark, and also magnificum dark is also having like this. So this one is Anthurium pediridatum. So I am also just pollinate pediridatum also. So and so this one is Anthurium pediridatum, and this one is I have also pollinated this Anthurium Amazon basin or Amazon basin butterfly anthurium. So this one is Anthurium butterfly. So I am also polling. Let's see if it gives me a baby or not. So this one is Anthurium bakery. So the leaves are quite similar between Anthurium bakery and Anthurium Vitarifolium. This one is Vitarifolium. Vitarifolium is also having a seeds. So this one is Anthurium. I have also pollinated Anthurium radicans also. So this is the flowers of radicans. So I have also pollinated the Anthurium radicans, Anthurium pepipi polonium, and this one is Anthurium varieties of bird nest Anthurium species. So superbum, many people say it is the cardboard also, variegated fukarai, white variegated, black, and so many. So this one is the Anthurium Vitarifolium. I have just pollinated the Vitarifolium also. So this is a big magnificum dark. So the leaves structure is like similar to Anthurium forgeti and Anthurium magnificum, but you have to identify this cut. So magnificent dark is having these cuts. So and forgeti does not have this cut. So this is my mini Anthurium garden. I'll show you more in my next video. So this is my mother stock area. So I have lots of varieties. I am having at least rare Anthuriums varieties, nearly 46 species here, and new hybrid also. So please watch and comment me, and if you want to like more details, you can also call me or mail me also. Okay, thank you very much.